Hello everyone, Jorge here with Avalos Cloud Native and Nexus Technologies. This is the second video for blockchain technologies, especially the one that we're working on is the IBM uh, framework, which is a hyperledger for centralized enterprise blockchains. And you may ask yourself, why are you using centralized blockchains? Well, you can customize what peers or nodes are going to have the smart contracts that you're going to be deploying, not like the one from decentralized, which anyone can deploy any smart contract out there, right? Centralized, you control which organizations are going to be part of the network, which computers are going to be part of the blockchain network. For me, I'm using the same concept, which users, which smart contracts, and you can customize it. Why do you think people may go there in the future? Because let's say I want to have a membership site, right? Well, that may take a lot. Maybe someone that I need to pay money for him to do all this. Maybe I need to have backend servers, front end, databases, firewalls, and much more. Well, with the smart contracts, you simplify all that process. You can find in the future maybe blockchains that will be software, blockchain as a service, which actually exists today. Anyways, we're going to continue the second video, and I want to show you some basic checks. So I said before that Portainer is to basically manage your containers. You can see an order appear for organization 1 and peer for organization 2, and Portainer itself, which is a container to manage an application, to manage all the containers. So this is Portainer, right? This application. We also have a container. This GUI is running here. So what happened? What happened right now? So we see that containers are running, everything is green, beautiful. But if I click here in the console, this is an error. I cannot do it from here for containers. Maybe for security reasons. I'm not sure. Again, I'm doing all this on the fly. I haven't prepared any scripts or anything like that. This is all on the go. While I was installing this, deploying the containers, I noticed, let's go back to all the way back when I was deploying the blockchain, and I saw that peer 0 on organization 1 could not actually join the network. It couldn't join it. It was having an error, a TLS error. I'm trying to find that in here. Now, I think we're already too far here. Let me see. Well, maybe all the way up. I think we lost track. It's okay. It's okay. The truth is that peer 1, it was having TLS problems. So it's green, right? It's running, but it couldn't join the network. It was having errors for some reason. And the errors were related to certificates right here. Oh, so in here, if I copy this in here and I paste it over here, paste it here. So organization 1, which using peer 1, right? Organization 1. So basically this peer, as you can see here, is having troubles. Client handshake, TLS connection, it fell. So means that this one here, organization 1, it is running, but it's not connecting to the blockchain. Why? Because there is TLS problems. It could be that maybe the network time protocol is not working, syncing, could be anything. As you can see, they use different ports, right? So what can you do? What can you do? Well, I'm gonna show you a few tricks, okay? First of all, you can run a command that will show you the lots, okay? For that specific peer. So you run docker lots peer 0 and then organization 1, right? Because that's the one that's having troubles, right? Handshake problems. And then let's see what's gonna happen. So it's gonna tell you all this information, how to detect the peer. It gives you the IP address, right? And the port number, concurrency limit, and all that. But in the end, it's telling you no active channels pass. Wow, there is no channels in there for some reason. And if I try to deploy a channel in there, it gives me problems. So why are we having TLS problems? I'm not sure, but I just want to show you the commands in here. Docker lot spear, that's how you check it out, right? And also if you want to check, let's say before, looks like they used to have another container, they call it the CLI tools. So with the CLI tools container, you were able to interact with all these peers, nodes, orders, whatever you want to call it. Well, that is obsolete right now. They deleted, they deprecated it for some reason. So what you do now, you need from the actual host himself, this computer that you see in the front that's hosting Docker and all the containers, you can get access to the peer that you're working on. And the command for that will be this one, Docker x it peer 0. And now I'm inside that Docker container from here. So again, this is just a quick video. I just show you that the blockchain is fully running. Peer 0 and organization 1 is not running. We have TLS problem, right? And I also show you how you can run the lots, right? To see, maybe I can run it from here too. Let me see. No, it doesn't give you from there. It doesn't give you any results from there too. But peer 0 and organization 1 have problems. And I show you how to see those lots with this command in here, right? Docker lots peer 0. That's the name of the whole container, right? And then I also show you how you can get access to the actual container having the trouble by using let me exit from here, by using this command Docker x peer 0 organization 1, and then boom, I'm inside that container. I hope you like the video. Next video, I'm gonna try to check why peer 1, peer 0 and organization 1 is not connecting due to TLS problems, and I'm gonna troubleshoot that in the next video. All right, I hope you love the video. Don't watch the first one, how I deploy all these Promox hypervisor type 1, then Docker container, then we pull out some we put some libraries and containers, right? And then we spin those containers, everything goes green and beautiful. We found a problem, TLS, the first peer is now connecting, right? I show you how to check the logs for the container, it tells us it is TLS problems. And also I show you how to go directly to that container straight from the host, hosting the whole Docker instance. Right. Thank you very much. Hope you liked the video. Jorge here with Avalos Cloud Native and Nexus Technologies. Please subscribe, follow me, and join my team. Reach out, join my team. Have a good night.